Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be introducing you to everybody. This is Shaggy. Shaggy, say hi. You're famous, bruh. You could give a better expression than that. Shaggy. Boy, look your fat behind out before I slap you over the porch. Alright. This is Blue because of his blue eyes. He hasn't really gone famous yet. And this is the notorious Midnight, the mother of these things. And this is the kitty cat that we know and love. Alright. This is the notorious Champ. That's your boy. Good boy. Good boy. You're famous, Champ. Just know that you are. You're the famous dog in the world. These are our chickens. We got Jonathan, Chica. Where's Feathers? Feathers! You still in your owl? You still in your coop? There's Feathers. She's the black one. Named her Feathers because she has two black tips of her tail in her butt. Alright, that's Champ. Let me show you our pool. We got our teleport. Alright, we're back and this is our pool. Has been covered up for a couple of days. This is the ladder that goes into the pool. And this is a better view of the pool. We're gonna do some videos on that soon. And that's our barn where we keep our cows, and at 11:30 every single night some deer goes in there. And that's most of our farm. That's beautiful right there. I'm trying to take a picture. There we go. Run like your life depends on it. Time to teleport to over there. Alright, this is where we keep all the food. You didn't see that. But we got dog food, cat food, chicken food, and everything. A red bird. Look at that red bird. Let me zoom in on him. That's a red bird. Yeah! He's not phased. He is unfazed from that. And I pretty much introduced you to all of the farm. That's the dog house. This is the chicken coop. Bam, bam, boom, boom. I just found out what my hen is doing under there. She's not coming out. And I'm finna tell you why. It's because she's sitting on her eggs. Since we got a rooster, they're fertilized. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please feel free to like, subscribe, and share for more. Now, buddy, tell them to like and subscribe for more. You heard them. Subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next.